Setup. GPS path settings. North America. Kudos map. And then what do I have here? Welcome warning voice. Takes me back to the Kudos map. Let's say welcome. Whatever the hell that is. GPS path setting. North America. Kudos maps. Let's say press this. Up there. Storage cards. North America Kudos map. I go 8. What the hell is that? Anyway. Once again. Home. Setup. GPS path. North America. Kudos map. There's nothing here. That's the back button. Back button, right? Map data. Nothing.